Now, first things first, let's talk about how often you should wash your jeans. Now, contrary to popular belief, you don't need to wash your jeans every time you wear them.
In fact, washing your jeans too often can actually damage the fabric and cause the jeans to fade. Now, aim to wash your jeans after every 5 to 10 wears, or at least every time they start to smell or feel dirty. Now, when it comes to washing your jeans, there's a few things to bear in mind. Firstly, always wash them inside out. This will help prevent the colour from fading and keep the fabric looking like new. Second, always use cold water and a gentle detergent. Using hot water will cause your jeans to shrink and lose shape, while using harsh detergents will damage the fabric of your jeans. Third, avoid using a fabric softener. Now, even though a fabric softener is going to make your jeans feel nice and soft, it will leave a residue on your jeans, causing your jeans to lose their shape and fade over time. Now, when it comes to drying your jeans, air drying is best. Now, using a tumble dryer, it will cause your jeans to shrink. Now, if you do need to use a tumble dryer, make sure the setting is a low heat one and take them out while they are still slightly damp to prevent them from over drying. Now, by following these simple tips, you're going to have fabulous jeans for years to come. Now, for more tips on laundry, check out the next video coming up, and thanks for watching.